You've learned the basics, picked your investments, and hopefully taken that first exciting step, hitting buy. So, now what? The first 30 days as a new investor are where many people either build confidence or give in to doubt, second guessing, and bad habits. In this final lecture, you will be taught a clear, simple game plan for what to do in your first month. You'll learn to track progress without obsessing, avoid common pitfalls, and stay consistent even when life gets busy. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to set realistic expectations for your first month as an investor. Monitor your progress without overthinking it. Avoid common new investor mistakes. Follow a 30-day checklist to build habits that last. Your first investment is just the beginning. Don't worry about picking the perfect fund or getting everything right from day one. What matters most is that you've started. That first investment is a step toward long-term growth and the foundation of your financial future. Stay consistent, keep learning, and let time work in your favor. Things to avoid in the first month of investment. Let's clear up some common pitfalls. Don't check your account every day. The market fluctuates constantly, and watching it too often can increase anxiety without helping your decisions. Don't chase performance. Just because a fund is doing well now doesn't mean you should jump ship to it. Stick to your investment plan. Don't invest money you might need soon. Only invest funds you won't need for at least 3 to 5 years to avoid being forced to sell during a downturn. Don't expect to feel 100% confident immediately. Feeling uncertain is normal. Confidence grows over time through experience and steady action. What to do instead? Track your progress monthly, not daily. Choose one day a month to log in, check your balance, and write down your thoughts. Stick to your schedule. If you set up recurring investments, let them run. Don't pause just because the market dipped. Keep learning. Read one article or watch one video a week to slowly build your knowledge, not your stress. Celebrate small wins. Did you stick to your budget? Avoid panic selling? That's progress. Your 30-day action plan. Follow this simple checklist to stay on track. Week 1. Review your portfolio setup to ensure it matches your goals. Confirm that your automatic transfers and investments are active and working properly. Save a screenshot or note your starting balance for future reference. Week 2. Read or watch one beginner-friendly resource about investing to build your knowledge. Write down one question you still have, then take some time to research the answer. Week 3. Revisit your original investing goal. Remind yourself why you started. Set a calendar reminder for your next monthly portfolio check-in. Week 4. Reflect on what you've learned over the past month. Think about how you would explain investing basics to a friend who hasn't started yet.